Okay, hey there my friend, it's Phil again here with Maryland Power Wash and Training, and in this video I'm going to show you a more typical job that we would have that more closely lines up with the numbers that we want to see in a day, which is typically between $1,250 and $1,500 per day per truck. So this one is going to be a house and a roof. It is just me out here today. It's probably best to have a helper on this kind of thing, but I don't have one today, so it's just gonna be me, and I'm gonna be done this job in probably about 5 hours, so it's gonna be some good money. And I'm gonna go ahead and walk you around and show you how it looks now. One thing I want to mention before I get started is if you're not comfortable on roofs, or you don't want to do any roofs, you don't have to do roofs. We've considered for many years to not include roof cleaning, but for some reason we always end up continuing the service, even though it's my least favorite service of all. So if you have a power wash company, you're starting one, and you don't want to do roofs and you don't want to do gutters, just don't do them. It's a specialized service, so the process is very different from regular power washing. So don't feel like you need to do roof cleaning if you don't want to. You see those black stains up there, that's what I'm going to be cleaning off in this house. This is a repeat customer of several years. So the beauty of this business is that once people try you out and they like you, they will keep using you for years and years, and you don't have to keep paying for the customers. At some point, you get busy enough that they just come to you, which is, of course, the goal. And as far as house washes go, this is a very easy house wash. Those stains on the bottom will not come out. They are like a red clay stain, and they'll be right back when I'm done anyway. But honestly, for the money, pretty easy job. This job is going to pay us $1,560, and pretty easy. And I estimate there to be about probably about $100 in materials in this one, between the bleach juice and the fuel and all that stuff. Okay, so that job is a wrap. So the job took about, actually, what, 3 hours and, wait, sorry, 4 hours and 30 minutes. So almost 5 hours, so I was close. It went extremely smooth, no hiccups or anything. So total time, including drive time, we're gonna say roughly 4.5 hours total. Hold on a second. Actually, I'm wrong. With drive time, so we said what? 4.5 hours there, plus we had like 45 minutes of drive time. So we're gonna do plus 0.75. So 5.25 hours total, and it was 1,560 divided by 5.25. So we averaged $297 per hour on that one, which is awesome. And also used less bleach than anticipated, so less material, and total cost on this one was roughly $80, including fuel and our bleach usage, and then soap. And obviously I'm not accounting for taxes or any of that stuff, or insurances. This is just strictly, you know, job site cost and cost of doing business, basically. So yeah, hopefully that helps you know about what you can make in the power wash business. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later.